Tara and the time-traveling tree. Tara loved trees. Big trees, small trees, old trees. She loved how they danced in the wind. She loved how they whispered secrets when the world was quiet. Behind her house was a very old tree. It was tall and wide, with strong roots and shiny green leaves. Tara called it Grandfather Tree. Every day, she sat under it and read her books. Fairy tales, adventures, stories about the past. One afternoon, as Tara leaned against the tree, she felt something strange. A soft buzzing in her back. The bark was warm. And then, a small door opened on the trunk. Tara blinked. A door? In my tree? Inside the door was a glowing spiral of light. It spun slowly, like a sleepy tornado. A tiny voice said, "Would you like to visit the past?" Tara's eyes sparkled. "Yes, I'd love to." She stepped into the light. Whoosh! Suddenly, she was in a village, hundreds of years ago. People rode horses. There were no cars, no phones, no lights. Children played with wooden toys. Women baked bread in outdoor ovens. Tara looked down. She was wearing old-fashioned clothes. She smiled. "This is amazing." She helped a girl carry water from the well. She listened to a storyteller in the town square. She even learned how to make butter. But just as the sun began to set, the wind whispered, "It's time to go." The spiral of light returned. Tara stepped through it and landed back under her tree. But the tree wasn't done yet. The voice said again, "Would you like to visit the future?" Tara gasped. "Yes, please." Whoosh! She was now in a world of silver, buildings and floating cars. People had robots walking dogs and wearing glowing clothes. Trees still grew, but they floated in glass bubbles to protect them. Tara met a boy her age. He showed her a sky library, a flying place full of books. She told him stories from her time. He told her about space farms and moon music. But soon, the wind whispered again, "It's time to go." Back she went, through the spiral of light, into the arms of the grandfather tree. Tara hugged the trunk. "Thank you for the best day ever." The little door closed with a soft click. The buzzing stopped. From that day on, Tara visited the tree every day. And sometimes, when the wind was just right, she could hear the spiral calling, "Would you like to go again?" And she always said, "Yes."